Welcome to another episode of Armed and Educated with your boy Man with the Plan. Today I'm going to be installing my Talon Grips for the Glock 19 Gen 4. I'm going to be showing the step-by-step process. In the packaging you get your little sticker, stick to your guns, alcohol prep pad, and then you get your Talon Grips. Instructions on the back. Alright, get straight to it. So first step, I want to make sure the firearm is unloaded, as you can tell. But we want to start by cleaning it, get all the dirt and grit out of it. So I'm going to use this alcohol pad that came with it. Alright, now I got some more alcohol. I'm going to hit it again with the alcohol just to be on the safe side. Alright, now we got it all clean. We can let the alcohol dry. Now we can apply the Talon grip. The instructions recommend you start from the left side, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to start from the left side. Now the part down here that go in these finger grooves, they kind of overlap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick that in the inside. Now the next step, what we're going to do is going to heat it up. Alright, now we got it all back together, got it heated. It came out pretty nice. Everything on point and aligned. Real easy to install. Way easier than sending your gun off and getting it stippled, waiting 2 or 3 weeks to get your gun back. So I just went with an alternate route. Can't wait to take it to the range, test it out. Feels good though in the hand. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.